Hey, Zach Koops here, and today I'm at the Ponds of Island Ford. This is a subdivision located just outside of McGaheysville, Virginia, here in Rockingham County. We have 99 lots that are spacious with gorgeous views of the eastern Blue Ridge and also of Massanutten's beautiful peak. So let's take a closer look. So there are 99 lots in this gorgeous community, most of which are 3/10 of an acre or 4/10 of an acre. There are a couple that sneak into the half acre or above range, and they're priced from $110,000 all the way up to $130,000. Now, this is a community where you're not required to work with the builder that the developer has identified. You're able to purchase a lot and then bring your own builder to build a custom home if you wish. All of the lots are equipped with public water and sewer, so there's no digging of wells, no burying septic tanks, nothing of that nature to worry about. The location is gorgeous. You're very close to Massanutten Resort and not far at all from Skyline Drive, with breweries, wineries, farmland scattered all in between. So if you're looking to build a home and you'd like to live in a community but not live right in town, this could be a great spot for you. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd be happy to show you around. Thanks for joining me today here at the Ponds of Island Ford. My name is Zach Koops. I'm your realtor here in Harrisonburg and Rockingham County. And remember, it's your move.